Hello, welcome back to the channel. Karen and me have just got to do a quick trip into Buxton just to pick something up, and then we're going to work our way through the Buxton Country Park up to Solomon's Temple. It's a bit of a breezy day, so I'm not sure how windy it's going to be up there, and we'll find out when we get up there. But it's not a great day. It has rained a bit this morning. It is brightening up a little bit, but like I say, the wind's got up. So if you want to come along with us on this little walk, please carry on and watch this video. We'll see you later on. Bye for now. That's just a little cul-de-sac in it there. Yeah. Tent and hard standing pitches. That's a little cul-de-sac area there, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a big F-left that one, isn't it? Certainly got some barriers, hasn't it? There's fish and chip Saturday, 6 to 8. The boat. Right, let's hope it don't rain anymore. Cows in field. Clear off your little legs. Spoilings up there. Yeah. That's a good bit of wood carving, that one, isn't it? An old miner or something, or quarryman. Yeah. Very good. Some detail in that one. There's some very intricate wood carving in there. It's got your foxes, your owls, and your... Must be an old lime kiln somewhere then. Yeah, kiln burners. Okay, looks impressive, doesn't it? A lot cleaner than I can remember it. spitting again. Longish promenade this one, isn't it? A bit breezy up there. Having a go. I don't know how much it goes on for that going. What's this one? Butterflies. It goes on for a bit, doesn't it? It's all down there. It does.
Well, that's quite a long way, that is, right?
Yeah. Probably just leads up to the same path we've been on. I never saw one going down though from where we walked up. No. I might be wrong. He says with great faith. Probably find out that path led up to this one. Shady canopy. Something branches off to the right, which is probably the path we should have come up anyway. They followed acorns and conkers and that's got an old hanging branch in it. To duck myself. See it in distance. Yeah, I think they're all definitely spoiling from lime mining, wherever you were, quarry. It's a bit breezy on top of this hill. Sheep trail. Solomon's Temple. It's only about 15 foot round, isn't it? Yeah, you certainly got a good view though, don't you? Maybe it's a bit cloudy here. Did it give this wind today? on first. Back to motorhome cup of tea. So you're looking into an old lime kiln. Not much left of it. It's supposed to be summer, not winter. God, it's breezy up here. Face is red with wind. It's supposed to be summer. That was windy. I was ready for a cup of tea now. That was a very bracing walk. That wind certainly got up from this morning, hasn't it? Of course they didn't forecast that either. Got plenty of little buckles, haven't they, in that? 3 bands on toilet already. Yeah. Got a little buckle there, isn't there? Like a buck-up caravan. Number 60 now. About £2.5 grand, I think. Oh, come on, you got a big bench on that one. Service pictures out. It's a bit calmer down here than it is up there. Isn't it? Great, so here we are again. I hope you like that little walk through the country park and up to Solomon's mine. It was very, very windy up there, but we've got down to start. We had a little bit of sunshine this afternoon, but nothing great. But it's his last night here, and we're on his way home tomorrow, so there'll be no more from Buxton. So if you like what you see, don't forget, give me that thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed and you like what's on my channel, please consider subscribing and also clicking that little notification bell. It'll help my channel grow a little bit. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.